Bhavesh. Today I rescued this bird. It falls from the nest. I take it to my home. Oops. I rescued this bird. It's so soft and so fluffy. Now I'm leaving it. See it. Yeah, I came outside. The bird is on my hand. Let's leave it. Bye, bird. Oops. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Okay? Did you see that? I rescued that bird. I saved that bird. Yeah, it flied over somewhere. I don't know. But it went to that mother. Okay, his dad's mother. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.